Dishwashers go wild.
I guess we don't know how to do dishes.
Apparently we overdid it on the soap. Tragic, really.
I saw food just
Ew. We really don't know what to do about this, but I'm sure there will be a mop somewhere in the house.
I kind of want to roll in it.
Do it.
Ew, it's so cool.
Oh dear. Look at that. It's like, we already cleaned it up once. Now this is just out of hand.
Do you take this one away?
Yeah, I think that towel is pretty much done for. Oh no! It's like a waterfall of soap.
Where do we put this towel?
Let's just wash the floor.
Okay. Can we? No, don't wash my floor.
Why?
Heaven forbid.
Wait, is that kind of soap good for wood floors though? It might, like, not be good.
Okay.
Ah!
What do I do with that?
Dun dun dun.
Smells like Tim Hortons.
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me. Did I hit you? No, I'm afraid.
Oh dear, there's just entirely too much going on in this kitchen. First I thought this said Paris Hilton, but it's Paris Beach. We should get your shirt and show that to
Paris Hilton.
The viewers at home.
That will come later.
Yeah. Well, I guess
Now
that's all for now.
Someday, Rita, I will wear nothing.